Market is just, it's just whatever the market is open. Limit is a set price. Stop market is,
Wait, so for limit, if the stock is trading at $200
mhm.
and I set a limit price for $300 to buy, what will happen? No, it'll buy it because limit means buy it at that price better.
Or yes,
Well,
better.
better would means that it has to be below 200 then.
No, if he sends a limit at 300.
Right, but that's above the current market price.
Right. You said the price is at 200.
The price is at 200. So the
Oh, yes, that's what I mean. Better than the current price.
so that higher limit order should be rejected by the broker. You'd have to set a limit order below the current market price.
All right. Stop market.
Stop limit is when the order is going to be executed. It's going to be executed at that price or better. But the stop says when the price crosses this level, now buy at whatever the market says. So stock
Right.
market says at this price, if it costs 150, I have that as my price. Now buy it at whatever price, which means you might get filled at a worse price, but you definitely will get filled if there's liquidity in the market. You'll definitely get filled. Whereas a stop limit, that's like both of these things combined. It says only execute the trade when I've crossed this price and make sure that it's at this price or better. So we're going to set this to market because we're going to be dollar cost averaging into the position. So we don't really necessarily care about the price at the moment. That's being handled by the bot. If you have these signal orders checked off, but you don't send that property over, right? You're not overriding it in any way with the signal, well, then it'll still use the default one that you have set up here for this subscription. Entry time and force. So this depends on the broker if they support these options, but essentially you're letting it know that this order that I'm setting right now, how long is this order good for? Is it good for the day? That means if the order, let's say you send a limit order in and it didn't get filled, if at the end of the day it still isn't filled, the order will be canceled. Good till canceled means that the order will be on the books until it gets filled or you cancel it yourself.